Let's see.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's a shirt.
Yes.
You got a pretty shirt. What are those?
Oh.
What are they?
It's pretty.
They're pretty. Do they go in your hair?
Have you?
Yeah, you can help me. Let's see. Uh-oh, we got tape on it. Let's see if Mom. Oh, there we go. You ready?
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, that's so pretty.
There you go. Have you?
Yeah, I'll help you. You like those, huh? Very, very pretty. What else is in there? What is that?
Bear.
A bear.
Have you?
That's his net. No,
Have you?
it stays in there. Look, like this. Oh, look at the bear. What else is in there? You're getting good at this present thing. Is that a card? Ooh, that's money.
Have you?
You like money. What else is in here? Ooh, those are for your pretties. Those go on your pretties. They go on your fingernails. They go on your nails.
Have you?
Say thank you, Grandma.
Have you?
Yes, I'll help you. Say thank you, Grandma.
Have you?
Hey, say thank you.
Did you?
Say thank you. Say love you.
Are you?
Say see you soon.
John.
Look here and say that.
Look, say see you soon.
John.